Hey guys, and welcome back to Code with Asher. Today we'll be learning how to create a new project on Xcode. Xcode is a free app developed by Apple and it's used by developers to make games, apps for macOS and iOS. So in my previous video, I taught you guys how to install Xcode, sorry. And once you have Xcode, now what do? You create a new project and you get on. But how do you do that? So first of all, find Xcode in your Spotlight and enter. And now you have three options, which is get started with the playground, create a new Xcode project, or clone an existing project. So get started with playground is for beginners, and if you have ID in Xcode, you're probably gonna click on this, and that's what we're gonna do today. And then this is what you're gonna see. And so for default, you click on single view app and make sure it's iOS if you're working for mobile and iPad apps. So you can change it to watchOS, TV, Mac, or cross platform. But for beginners, we go with iOS. And this is the most basic one, single view app. So you click there and next. So now you name the product. So you can call it anything. I'm gonna call it video demo. Yeah. And then select your team. It's okay if you see none. That's expected if you just opened it. But because I have a team, because I have been working on it, so I have a team. So write your name, your company, your business, whatever. I'm working solo, so I write my name. You write how you can find your organizations. Just write a username and then make sure it's Swift and not Objective-C. Untick all of those. So by default, you will find it like this. Untick all of those and then click next. You save it where you want. I'll save it in Xcode codes and you create. So this is what you're going to see. Guys, I took a bit of a break to just tell you that all of those drop downs and buttons, please do not click them, because one click can change your whole project. Those are very important buttons. So one of the drop down is selecting between macOS, tvOS, iOS, or watchOS. And if you switch from iOS to macOS, your app wouldn't run because it's not suited for a MacBook Pro and you're testing it on an iPhone. So that changes everything. You might not know about it, but as you get along, you would understand. And for in the following clip, I'm telling what changes you need to make, what changes you do not need to make. So stay tuned and enjoy. Remember we clicked on iOS, so now we have the option iPad or iPhone or universal. It's ideal to keep it on universal. So here is your project, and we'll be making a mini Hello World app. So if you want to learn that in advance, that was going to be my next video. So, but let's quickly do it to check. So from here, you click on main storyboard. And then this is what you're going to see. You can see how you view it. You can see it in iPhone XS Max, XR, XS. It goes down. So XR is ideal, and that's what I usually use. So here, let's quickly add a hello world. So on the top right here, you're gonna see library. Click on that and search for label, and then you're going to see label. Drag and drop it in the middle, and there you go. Let's quickly write hello world, and voila, there's a mini application. So because it's just one little thing on the whole screen, it is fine because it has constraints. But when you have 3, 4, 5, even 10 on bigger apps, you'll need to add constraints, and that's something we're going to learn next lesson. So let's quickly check out our Hello World app. So you click play here and build succeeded. You close down here, and when you open, this is what you're gonna see. And because I've made old apps, they're here too. So you're gonna click on the name of the app you're using. So in my case, it's video demo. I click here and voila, here is your Hello World app. It's easy as that. I don't even think you'll need to put any efforts in learning that. So hope you guys learned, enjoyed. Keep tuned, stay tuned, and I'll be showing you how to make a basic cool app for beginners. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.